Hi guys, Luke is here. So this drum is completely gone. As you can see right there is metal to metal. It had no shoes left. When you look at the back, it has some shoes remaining, and the drum is totally scoring so bad, and it's metal to metal. It's rubbing. So once a customer step on the brakes, and it create this noise so bad. It's metal shaving, touching each other, and this one is pretty close. It's less than 1 milliliter left, so start to get there. So once you hear this, please replace your shoes brakes on the rear, so it's not annoying. So when you drive down the road,